Good morning, guys.
Yeah, yeah. You're my provider. Yeah, you're my provider. You are. You're my provider. You're my provider. Yeah, yeah. I will be content in every circumstance. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let me paint the picture for you.
Inform you guys that I have a little business of Good morning, guys. How are you? I'm just on my way outside. I have a nail appointment downtown. I just put my hair on the slow bun, on a slick bun like this, and I put my eyeglasses on top. I'm preparing for a vacation with baby, so I need to do my nails, do my hair. I want to braid my hair, and what else? I need to prepare some few things before we go. So guys, I am about to do my hair. I want to do knotless braids on myself. Right now I want to blow dry the hair. I didn't even show you guys my nails last time. Sorry if you hear the nature sound. I live close to a lake, so there is some noise sometimes, especially when it's hot. Actually, I'm about to blow dry my hair, and what I'll be using is this kit that I got from 𝘞𝘰𝘥𝘢𝘆. You guys know me and 𝘞𝘰𝘥𝘢𝘆. It's amazing. It's just the best. Yeah, it makes blow drying your hair super easy. I'll be using this pre-stretch hair. I always get them from 𝘞𝘞𝘥𝘢𝘆. I have a bunch of combs that I will need, most especially these. I'll be using these two edge controls, the gem and the contour. I'm gonna use some 𝘞𝘰𝘥𝘢𝘺 hair and some natural hair from an old wig, something like that, curly, that I'm going to put alongside. And I don't think I'll film the process, but I'll film part of it and show you guys the outcome. Talk to you guys later. So I'm going to finish this part tomorrow. I'm tired. So guys, I finally got a frame for the pictures. I think it's perfect. Let's see if it is. So guys, I was finally able to finish braiding my hair yesterday during the day, but your girl didn't vlog it. It usually takes me about 2 days to finish braiding my hair, especially when I'm going for the small ones. Anyways, today we had to take a COVID test, and luckily for us they organized one in our communities. So all we had to do is to go downstairs to get a COVID test, and we were good to go. The same evening, my friends and I went for a walk around our neighborhood, and we found this park, and we just decided to have fun like little kids. Hey guys, I was editing the video and I just realized that I didn't show you guys the outcome of the braids. So yeah, this is like 2 weeks later and they're still giving. They're absolutely super long. They're very long and beautiful. Loving them. My favorite part about the braids are these. They're just discreet and it makes everything look supernatural. You know, I love everything that looks supernatural. I wanted to try something new. So I put some color on my eyes. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Oh yeah, if you're still watching at this point, you know the drill. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It's actually good because it helps YouTube to know that I am creating something interesting here and recommends my videos to more people, and like that our community can keep growing. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Vanina. I apologize I didn't introduce myself earlier. I share my life in Shanghai, China as a Black African, and I have amazing content here. I believe you will love it, so please consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any of my uploads. And yeah, I think you would love it, and please share with your friends and family. Guys, I absolutely forgot to tell you what I finally received. This, I got it. I received this from Google AdSense. Actually, my husband is the one that found it in the mailbox. And I didn't believe, you know, because most of the informations on my channel are in China. My address, everything is about my information in China. And when I started my YouTube, when I got monetized, I faced a lot of problems. They told me like, oh no, China, you can't, da 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 da. And I received it. I'm super happy. At the same time, I also wanted to thank you, each and every one of you that helped me to get here at this point of my journey on YouTube. Each and every one of you that is subscribed to my channel, that keeps coming back to watch my videos. I just want to say thank you very much, most especially to my friends that were playing my playlist when I wanted to reach my 4,000 watch hours, which was absolutely not easy. And my special thanks to you, 𝘂𝑒. I don't want to say your whole name, but I just want to thank you because you you got my back then. Thank you so much, and thank you to even people that I forgot that I'm not mentioning here that were playing my playlist. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Sorry if you hear the sound of the wind, it's pretty windy. And to finish, I also want to inform you guys that I have a little business of hair that I have been doing for the past 6 years in China. I was braiding hair full-time, part-time, adjusting it to my schedule, to my life schedule, to my work schedule and everything. Yes, it's still going. And if you happen to visit Shanghai and you would love your hair to be braided, feel free to hit me up. And I'm also going to insert some videos of the work I do. It's super classic. I love that business so much. And I have an Instagram account, I have a YouTube channel, and I also have a WeChat channel for my hair, just for the hair. I'm going to share the information regarding the YouTube and the Instagram when the time is perfect for me. For now, I just want to keep it for myself. And if you happen to be in Shanghai, or you know someone in Shanghai who might need braids, this is your girl. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram, then I'll share with you all the information regarding how to get an appointment, how to book an appointment. So that was it for today's video. It was in preparation for our little vacation for me and babe. Stay tuned for the next episodes coming very soon. Make sure you turn on your post notifications, and see you in the next one. Bye.